everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Moza Slypod Pro for review. Gimbal manufacturer Gudsen Moza has updated its Moza Slypod electronic monopod, adding a longer extension, faster motion and better battery life. The Moza Slypod Pro is essentially a motor-driven monopod that allows videographers to create smooth slider and jib-style camera movements using automatically extending telescopic tubes. The Slypod Pro can be controlled via the Moza app to extend telescopic tubes at a given pitch to allow mounted cameras to slide across the scene, towards or away from the subject, or to raise or lower the shooting angle. In this new version, the range of movement has been increased, allowing a shift from start to finish of up to 53 cm, and the speed at which the camera can be moved has been increased to 14 mm per second. A further improvement over the previous models in the 5.5-hour battery life, which can be supplemented with USB power via an external battery pack. Made of carbon fiber to keep the weight down at 1,460 grams, it is still heavier than the previous Slypod and Slypod A due to the extra extension and probably the bigger battery. It can support keep of up to 2 kilograms for horizontal movement and 6 kilograms when being asked to move vertically. With Slypod Pro, there are no more lost moments. The slider and jib arm can be placed at any angle and camera position. Previously impossible angles become easy to achieve for photos that come to life from new creative perspectives. User can find the perfect shot by extending the slider in and out for compelling video and high camera angles. The Moza Slypod Pro's clever design makes its mechanical aspects essentially weather-resistant. The intelligent mechanical design provides Slypod Pro with maintenance-free performance, protecting the built-in transmission system from wind, sound, and dust. It can also be used in combination with other Moza products such as the Aircross 2 Gimbal and Moza Master app. It can be used to create dynamic motion footage with perfect stability. The Slypod Pro has a motor to extend and retract the carbon fiber section. The motor and system are inside of the Slypod Pro, so no external devices are required. This makes the Slypod Pro very fast to set up, attach a mounting plate for your tripod and the supplied head for the camera, and you are ready to go. To turn the Slypod Pro on, you simply hold the button in for a few seconds until the green LED on. The base is solid green. The on-off button when double tapped will stop the Slypod when moving, and with 3 taps will return. On the other side is a plus and minus button. This controls the speed on the Slypod while extending. To put the Slypod in long mode, hold all 3 buttons down at the same time. The Moza Master app allows you to control the Slypod Pro. The local buttons are deactivated while the app is connected. With appropriate cables, you can control select camera functions from the app. The first option is regular mode. This is very basic as it only controls the speed and up and down motion. The second option is acceleration. The Slypod will move from the current speed to the set speed and then accelerates to the end position. The end position speed is 0. The third option is segmentation. Set up to 5 motion paths for the extension of the monopod. Other option of the Slypod Pro is step time-lapse. Set the travel distance of the monopod as well as frame number, cycle, exposure time, interval and FPS. To do all this requires appropriate camera control cable attached to your camera. I like this Moza Slypod Pro. I think it's a tool that I will get more use from that and slider alone. It's easier to work with than a slider and does more than just slide. It mimics a small dolly move that has nice production value and takes up very little room on sets. Plus, I don't need an assistant to use it. Adding the vertical option for smooth dolly shots and it covers more than any tool now. The motion control option for time-lapse is pretty impressive. Great app for ease of use, its build quality is great and it's a super monopod too. Great slider and monopod even better, that is both at the same time. I love this product. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!